Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this mason jar. I have washed and dried it, and now I'm going to take a sponge dauber and I am going to sponge paint the color Vintage White in acrylic paint on it. And I'm going to go all the way around the whole jar, including the mouthpiece. And I did 2 coats and I let it fully dry in between coats. And I'm just making sure that I get in all the little crevices around the top and just kind of going over it and over it and over it until it's fully covered. And I did end up doing the bottom of the jar as well as the very top part of the rim on the mouth. Once that was fully dry and painted, I'm going to take this craft paint by Decor, and it's a glitter paint, and it's basically just a clear paint with glitter in it. And I'm just going to go over the whole jar with that. And as you can see, I've got it all on there, and the jar is sparkly, kind of hard to see on video. Next, I tore a strip of ticking fabric, red and white, and I am just going to wrap that around the mouth of the jar and tie it into a knot. Just kind of arrange it and then trim off the excess. Once I have that on there, I am going to take these 2 large buttons that I had, and I'm going to glue those to the front of the jar. And I glued around the holes in the buttons so that the glue wouldn't poke out the holes when I pressed it up against the jar. So I'm going to use 2 of those in the front. Next, I'm going to take some greenery, some red and white berries, and I had this snowball from Joann's, and I'm just going to fill the jar with all of this. So just kind of arranging it how I wanted. And then I had this big old snowball, so I stuck that in there. And then I'm just going to kind of mess with it until I get it to look how I want. I added a couple of more red berries on the sides. Finally, I'm going to take this rusty snowflake and rusty safety pin, and I'm going to attach that right to the top of the scarf, and that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and it's really easy to make and really inexpensive to make. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.